Good evening everybody, Crypto STRANG here. I haven't done a video for quite a while now on free airdrops, basically some free crypto, join new companies and just basically get some free crypto out there and wait for them to sort of grow and then sort of do what you want with them. Hold, take profits, keep them long term, whatever you want to do. So as I said before, it's entirely up to you player. I have a separate email purely for my airdrops, keeps on top of it. But as I say, I've done many events on my Facebook group and I've actually done some YouTube videos before, but lately there hasn't, to be honest, been a huge amount of airdrops which have interested me or worth doing. You can go through all these procedures and perhaps get like $1 or $2 worth of a new crypto. So to me personally, it wasn't worth doing with the time and effort. But quite a few people have messaged me on my Facebook group and Instagram saying I haven't done a video for a while. So I'm just going to go through quick ways of earning free crypto. I think a lot of people are aware of these, but some people aren't. So I've had quite a few messages, why haven't I done an airdrops video for a while? When good projects come out and I think they look really good, I'll bring them up, I'll mention them. So as I said before, I've had some great ones in the past, like Energy, probably the best one ever. I'm going to go through a couple I mentioned before which are still going, which can still get some great returns. So the first one is crypto.com, which I know I've mentioned many times. To me, it's still one of the best rewards out there. Basically join, got my referral link below. Join that, we both get some free Crow each. Now, Crow has been as low as like 2 cents. Last month it reached 20 cents. At the moment, I believe it's, I've actually got it on here, it's just above, literally just above 16 cents. So, before when I've sort of got my free Crow, and it was like, say, 6-7 cents, it's already doubled. So when you say you get $50 of Crow, all of a sudden it's actually in reality $100 of Crow. So long-term holding, then I'm going to stake the Crow. Also, that stake with an MCO, you have to exchange for your Crow tokens, but I think it's just a great way. So I say the link's below. Join up, get yourself a debit card, get some free Crow. If you sometimes I think to get $10 worth of Crow, I think it's like 1,000 Crow, which obviously isn't a huge amount. Let's be honest. $50 of free Crow if you stake 5,000 Crow. So get the debit card, get yourself some Crow, and it's a great way. And I think, me personally, again, if you go back to the charts quick, you can see it's ranked number 9. The market cap is over 3 billion now. I remember at the ICO stage when it was known as Monaco, hence why it became MCO. Now it's just mainly focused on the Crow, but it's obviously a massive project. It's absolutely huge, and to get some actually free Crow is just incredible when you think the next bull run, how high this price will go. MCO, I remember that was when it was just launching at a height when it didn't really have a debit card or have much going for it. As I've said before, it went up from under $1 to $27 in like 7 weeks. I'm not saying that Crow's going to do that, but it's just another excellent project. And the fact you get some free Crow, to me, it's worth it. So the link's below if you want to join crypto.com. Get the debit card, it's entirely up to you. Another one which is excellent is Probit. Now this is a sort of up and coming exchange. I've been using it for quite a while. Very good, very solid, excellent support. But they do have a section under the dashboard called events, and you scroll down again, you can get some free crypto, lots of competitions. They have a lot of IO buy events. We get them like rock bottom. Now what I find a lot with these IOs, where before it was the ICOs, the dreaded ICOs of 2017, basically when you get some free, and when they're launched, huge pump, and then they sort of dump and settle themselves down. So a lot of people sell them on the launch basically. But they're doing some other deals. You can see some of these events at the moment, there's not much active at the moment, but you can see there we have still got some active events going on. So again, free crypto. We talked about ETH Plus yesterday on the video. Went up to a crazy price recently. I think at the moment it's like 30 cents. At one stage it was like over $27, literally a few weeks ago. So it's major pump. Now we've got the pullback. So again, there's a link below if you want to join Probit. I think it's a great exchange, got many, many coins. What I found with Probit is a lot of the sort of coins, like ones which are low on coin market cap, I find on Probit, they seem to accept many sort of low cap coins, and it's a great start for many projects, the up and coming ones that I really like, so again, Probit's great. Another one again I mentioned before is Swissborg. I've got the app on my phone, wonderful project. This was one ICO I did get involved with, and so they've been around over 3 years, and it's took them a long while to get going. But Swissborg was recently in the top 100. Again, doing well, they do regular burns, but they've got an excellent invitation link. Again, it's below if you want to join it. I always say you don't have to use my link; they're purely there. It's entirely up to you. But what it is, if you join Swissborg, make a deposit of €50 or more, then you get a bonus. You receive a ticket and you claim that reward. Now the rewards ticket value from €1 to €100. So basically, if you join under my link, we both get a ticket. Scratch it off and see what you've won. So it's an absolutely fantastic project. I love Swissborg. I say it's been around for such a long time. They seem to be making huge progress now. Again, the link's below. I think Swissborg has now really reached the next level. I say, in fact, it smashed through the top 100. You can get Swissborg on KU Coin, CHSB, but also obviously get it on the app as well. Swissborg on its own. Keep your CHSB on the actual app. Again, entirely up to you. Now, another one which I know I've mentioned many times before is Coinbase. Now, it's probably it is the biggest, exchange, most well-known exchange out there. As you can see, you go on there when a new project gets launched. They give away free coins, basically. So you can go on there. You do a few simple tasks. You can see I haven't done the Cello yet, or Shello, if we want to call it. The project recently launched on Coinbase. I've done the EOS, but they've actually given me more EOS to invite friends. So look, earn $50 of EOS, invite friends. So again, I'll put that link below. All you do is watch some very quick videos, answer some basic questions. If you don't know the answer to the question, just keep on clicking till it ticks, basically. And again, it's entirely up to you, but likes of EOS, keep it for the next bull run. Cash out, or cash out now if you want. The good thing with Coinbase, you can basically cash out your crypto to your national currency and send it to your PayPal. So literally watch a couple of videos and get yourself some free money. Obviously, personally, I'm going to keep mine long term for the next bull run. I don't hold much EOS now like I used to. I hardly own any, really. I used to own a huge bag of EOS, but literally all I've got now is what I've literally got free on Coinbase. So again, but they have so many you can watch now, and it states there like invite friends. If you join Coinbase for a referral link, again it's below. If you deposit $80 in Bitcoin, you get $10 for nothing. It's all great free. Now again, Compound, I've earned there. Compound, excellent DeFi project, smashed into the top 20 on launch. Remember that huge pump when it went up to like $300. Again, Stellar Lumens. So I've earned my $50 of free XLM for literally doing nothing. Absolutely fantastic. So you've got all these projects where you can earn and just constantly refer back to it. And sometimes you have to join a waiting list, like my Tezos. I had to wait ages for my Tezos. I've got my basic attention token. I've got 3 of those. I've got Orchid when that was launched, that wonderful privacy project. Got some free OXT. But it states there, look, earnables up to $115. So I say the link's below. Get yourself some free EOS if you haven't got it. And just keep hold of it. Forget about it. Come back to it in the next bull run. Cash out. Do what you want with it. Or just cash out now if you want some money to your PayPal for doing pretty much watching a couple of basic videos. So one good airdrop out there, which I have joined. There is no link. I suggest you go on airdropbox.com, which is a great airdrops website. I've been using it for a long time. FinSwap, it basically lets users provide tools to trade in DEX. FinSwap help users trade profitably with our intelligent trading tools. So you basically get $13 free for just sign up. You sign up the airdrop form, join the Telegram group, follow their Reddit channel, follow the Twitter page, like their Medium page, and just join their Discord channel. It took actually like 10 minutes max, as long as you've joined all them social media platforms, if not just join them. But again, it's absolutely free. I'll put the link below. So there's no referral link, entirely up to you. Great project in the making by the looks of it. Time will tell. Another one I'm going to mention is Morpher. Now, I've done this on the previous airdrops and it's been fantastic. I've actually got a lot of trades going on now. I was lucky to get a lot of referrals, and I've also added funds myself. It's a great way, but it's not just cryptocurrencies, it's commodities, foreign exchange indices. It's not just pure crypto. And if you join up, you basically get a free balance up to $25 in Morpher tokens, so you can trade. Again, that's absolutely free for joining. You don't have to add any funds to get that. You basically get it just for joining. You get some Morpher tokens. Again, the link's below. I think it's fantastic. I really do like the layout of the dashboard. And again, so it's quite a quick video. This says some months you get loads of great airdrops, great companies, people behind them. But lately, I say the last sort of 6 weeks, 2 months, hasn't been a huge amount, to be honest. That really interested me, all worth doing. I think really I'd always keep my eyes out. I go on many sites. I follow many on Twitter and Telegram groups and everywhere, trying to find the decent airdrops. I've said before, I doubt I'll ever beat energy. The amount of energy I got for doing bare minimum. One stage energy went up to $10 each. At the moment, it's had a massive pullback. I'm surprised with the project. It's probably, well, it is actually my most disappointing altcoin of this year price-wise. I know they're developing, they're bringing out Energy X, the mainnet. It's got such a great roadmap. I know I've done a dedicated video before on Energy, but at the moment it's just crazy how the price has dropped so much. So it's a great time for me personally, not financial advice, but to stock up on some more Energy. But anyway, getting back to airdrop, so say joincrypto.com, get some free Crow if you're interested. Join Probit, all these links are below. Join Probit, get the competitions, get yourself some free cryptos. Swissborg, absolutely fantastic. You know, get on there, get your rewards. Hold your CHSB for the next bull run if you want. Coinbase, you know, will always have these earn crypto side of their website. Every time a project joins Coinbase, they do give away free crypto of that particular project. Rely on these sort of airdrop sites. Airdropbox, excellent site. I'll put that link below. And Morpher. So, as I say, not a huge amount, but that's the ones which to me are good, easy, free crypto. Anyone want any help getting started? As usual, email me info@cryptostrang.com. Help any way I can. Thanks very much. Cheers. Have a good evening. Bye.